Assalamu alaikum everyone, Sadia Gondal here, and once again I welcome you all from the platform of Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 5 chapter number 12, and the topic of the chapter is Zara and the Villagers. So let's start. Page number 82, chapter number 12, Zara and the Villagers का आज हम question करेंगे. Fill in the missing letters. A is village. The missing letters are V and G. B is teacher. Missing letters are C and R. C is allowed. Missing letters are L and W. And D is restricted. The missing letters are S and I. Next question is they're asking you to reread the lesson and learn the spellings of difficult words, and the teacher can take the dictation. Now we will be doing the grammar portion on this page, and today we will be learning about simple past tense. Now the formula for simple past tense is noun plus ed form of verb plus object. Now when we talk about simple past tenses, there are three ways to make sentences of simple past tenses. The first way is to make an affirmative sentence. The easy English for affirmative sentence is a positive sentence. So when you're going to make a positive sentence of a simple past tense, it is going to be written like this: subject plus verb ed plus object. For example, he locked the room. Here he is the subject, locked is the past form of verb, and room is the object. Next form of sentence is negative simple past tense sentence. Here we are going to write the subject first, and then we are going to use did not plus the verb and the object. The example would be he did not lock the room. So it's going to be subject he, did not plus present form of verb. Now this is very important. Usually what we have learned in the past is that when we use did, because it is past tense, so we should be using past verb with it. But here, whenever we are going to use did, we will be using the present form of verb. So it's going to be did not lock plus object, which is going to be the room. And the last form of sentence is interrogative, which means question sentences. So a simple past tense interrogative sentence would be, we're going to use did plus the subject plus the present form of verb again, and plus the object. For example, did he lock the room? So here again, we are going to use the present form of verb with did. Next question on page number 83 is, write a short paragraph in your notebook on the topic my result day using simple past tense. So let's write this paragraph. My result was announced on 5th December. I had prepared well for the exam, so I was expecting a good grade. I got 97% marks and stood first in the class. My parents and teachers were extremely happy at my success. I received a shield for my brilliant performance in front of the whole school on the result day. Thank you everyone for listening. Keep watching. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.